Thinking about tossing your Cricut machine? Hold on. Before you do, let's talk about whether you should keep it or let it go. And if keeping it, how you can make serious money with it this year. In today's video, we will explore if a Cricut machine is still relevant today and the best unique ways to make money with it. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, upgrade your craft business, or just make the most of your machine, we will help you through this decision-making process. First things first, should you even keep your Cricut machine? Let's break it down into 3 quick questions you need to ask yourself. Do you use it regularly? If your Cricut machine has been sitting on a shelf untouched for months, like mine's, collecting dust, it might feel like it's time to let go. However, before selling it, not tossing it, we're making money this year. So before selling it, ask yourself if a new business approach can reignite your interest. Sometimes all you need is a fresh idea to make it worth keeping. Is the market still profitable? And the answer is yes. The DIY and custom product market is booming. Platforms like Etsy, TikTok Shop, and Instagram Marketplace are full of Cricut-made products. People love personalized gifts, home decor, and custom branding items. If you're struggling to make sales, it might not be the machine. It could be the niche or the strategy you're using. Could you learn a new Cricut skill? If you've only been making the basic t-shirts and decals, you could be missing out on much bigger opportunities. Learning new techniques can elevate your products and make your business more profitable. The more unique your product, the more you can charge. So, should you toss your Cricut machine? Absolutely not. So, should you toss your Cricut machine? Absolutely not. But if you're keeping it, let's talk about how to make money with it this year. Customize mugs and glassware. These are always in demand, especially for gifts during holidays and special events. You can use permanent vinyl or even etching techniques to make high-end glassware. Wooden home decor signs. Cricut stencil makes it easy to create beautiful wooden signs, and these sell incredibly well at craft fairs and on Etsy. Wedding and party decorations. The wedding industry is huge, and Cricut is perfect for cutting delicate invitations, banners, and cake toppers. If you want a high-paying niche, this is it. Custom jewelry. Cricut isn't just for paper and vinyl. It can cut leather, shrink plastic, and more. Think of custom initial keychains, name necklaces, and engraved leather bracelets. These are trendy and profitable. Throw pillows and apparel. Personalized fashion and home decor never goes out of style. Offer matching family sets or trendy coats for dorm decor. Scrapbooking kits and stickers. Custom stickers and planner kits are huge in the stationery world. Sell them as theme packs for planners, journals, or even digital downloads. Selling on Etsy and local markets. Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, and Instagram shops are fantastic for selling your products. Even better, local craft fairs and farmers market give you direct sales and repeat customers. Now let's go beyond the basic. Here are some next level ways to turn your Cricut into a money-making machine. Luxury acrylic signs and wedding decor. Offer premium wedding decor by making acrylic seating charts, table numbers, and custom signage. This works because custom wedding decor is a high-profit market, and Cricut can cut acrylic sheets or vinyl lettering for elegant wedding signs, table numbers, and welcome boards. To stand out from the competition, offer mirror acrylic and hand-painted backdrop to make your piece more premium. Market on Pinterest, Etsy, or partner with wedding planners to gain exposure. The second idea is interactive kids learning material. Parents and teachers love these. Sell custom activity sets, puzzles, and laminated learning games. This works because parents and teachers are always looking for engaging educational tools. You can also create custom flashcards and dry erase activity boards. To stand out, use reusable materials like laminated printables or magnetic pieces. Sell in bundles with themes like alphabet adventures or math masteries to create order value. Personalized business branding kits. Small business owners need affordable branding. Offer starter branding kits with custom logo stickers, thank you cards, and decals. This works because small businesses need unique branding materials but often can't afford bulk orders from large printing companies. To stand out, offer custom sticker packs, logo decals, thank you cards, and branded packaging elements for Etsy sellers, boutique owners, subscription box businesses, and the list goes on. Trendy UV printed phone cases and accessories. Follow trends on TikTok and Instagram to create a viral phone cases, laptop decals, and aesthetic accessories. These sell fast. This idea works because customized phone cases are always in demand, and you can use Cricut to create unique layered design, stencil for UV printing, or vinyl embellishments. To stand out, follow TikTok trends and sell through Instagram and TikTok Shop, aiming to make viral videos showing the creation process. So, should you toss your Cricut machine? Definitely not. The key to making money with it is to adapt, innovate, and find profitable trends. If you're like me and you're keeping your Cricut machine, challenge yourself to try a new niche. And if you decide to sell it, make sure it's funding your next creative adventure. Let us know in the comment section which Cricut business idea was your favorite. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative business ideas. Remember, you got this. Boss up.